Why are you being so anxious, apprehensive, attentive, envious, intolerant, possessive, protective, resentful, skeptical, suspicious, green-eyed, jealousy? With your jealousy, you're just annoying me. The only thing that we can agree is that you are not the one for me. Begrudging, covetous, demanding, doubting, emulous, envying, grabby, grasping, guarded, invidious, jaundiced, mistrustful, monopolizing, possessory, questioning, rival, solicitous, vigilant, watchful, jealousy. There is no use for jealousy. You are being a bit silly. Please stop being crazy. Why can't you be more like me? Calm, content, unducting, unworried, satisfied, trusting, unresentful, happy and free, without any jealousy. No more jealousy, so you are being a bit silly. Please stop being crazy. Why can't you be more like me? Get away from me, no more skalahola. Other side, more jealousy, jealousy. No more jealousy. Jealousy, jealousy, let it be.